If you've ever dreamt of owning a guest house within walking distance of the turquoise waters of the Caribbean, you might want to watch the rest of this video. Okay, we're here on the island of Vieques, Puerto Rico. We are on the hillside of Esperanza, which is kind of the small fishing village in town or on the island, which is now turning quickly into the tourism sector of the island. There's a malecon not too far from here where there are restaurants and the water. And today we are at Villa Coral, which is a small guest house, 6 rooms, an apartment down below. Here on the first floor we have actually the office. This is where guests come in, where they're greeted, where they check in. Very small office. There's no need for anything large here. This is a small guest house. The rooms upstairs are basically studio units with a bathroom. Downstairs is the 2-bedroom unit, and there's a surprise waiting for us on the roof. So let's start on the second floor. It should be noted that this property is endorsed by the Puerto Rico Tourism Company. They've been in existence for a number of years now, had a lot of great reviews on TripAdvisor. And they have a great history of occupancy here. So this is the second floor. There's kind of a communal area here. Keep in mind we're wrapping up COVID in Puerto Rico, so this used to be a bit more of a communal area with some cooking utensils and stuff like that. There's a microwave and a sink. During COVID, they've been very good about taking precautions to not spread the virus. So this is kind of a communal sitting area. It's a great breeze. That's over to the east. From here you can see Sun Bay. You can actually see the world famous Bio Bay. And then if we were to go south of here about 4 blocks, we get you to the malecon. So from here you're very close to the malecon, where you can walk, go out to dinner, go to the beach, go snorkeling, rent bicycles, do Bio Bay tours, but yet you're far enough away that you're not in the midst of all the craziness and the noise. So here we enter on the second floor, which is where the rooms are. There's 6 rooms up here, and we'll take a peek. We're unfortunately in the middle of the day, so we have some changeovers, and we can check out some of the rooms. This is room number 1. So you can see the nice setup. There is air conditioning in here. Bed looks to be a full or a queen. There are glass windows and screens, although you've got the air conditioning, so there's really no need for the screens. A little desk area here, a little closet. A lot of the guests that come to Vieques, they're coming and staying here for probably 2 or 3 days during their stay. And this is efficient enough. We've got a small little refrigerator, we've got a sink, mirror, as well as a full bath. So this is ideal for people that are coming. Vieques is known for its Bio Bay, for its beaches. They're not going to be spending much time in their hotel room, so this really does work perfectly for couples that are traveling to Vieques. So that's one room. Let's go across the hall here. This is room number 2. And you can really see it's a mirror image of the one we just came out of. Another bed, windows, ceiling fan, AC, place to hang some clothes, dresser, coffee maker, mini fridge, sink, and again, full bath. So really everything you're going to need for a stay here on Vieques. So on this floor there's 6 rooms, 1 through 6. I don't know if any other ones are open. We're in the middle of a changeover right now. It seems like this place was fully booked last night, and the staff is rushing to get it ready for the guests coming in today. So this is room number 4. Again, the same setup. Everything's in great shape. I mean, the amenities are great. So this is a turnkey property. And as far as the structure, I mean, I see no defects. I see no cracks, nothing. It's in great shape. So this is loft 5. This has a little different AC unit. This is in the wall. It's not a mini split. Room feels a little bit larger. It's the back corner of the building. So there's a little more privacy. There's the entrance. And there's the setup. So all the rooms seem to come with the same amenities. This here at the end of the hall, this is a housekeeper's closet. So you've got cleaning supplies and whatever else is needed close at hand. So that's the second floor. Let's go back to the office, and I'll show you the apartment downstairs, and then a little surprise up on the roof. All right, so we're back here at the office in the front, and we're going to run the side of the building through a gate by the side, and here we have another unit that's rented out. It's a 2-bedroom unit, handicap accessible, also air conditioned. Little living area. There's your mini split AC. This one actually has a TV and a full kitchen. So what's nice about this 2-bedroom, besides being handicap accessible, which helps make this place qualified with Puerto Rican Tourism Company, is that if you decide to buy this and you want to live here, you could actually live down here and then manage the upstairs unit. So this could be owner operated. The folks that are selling it started out by living here. You see here a full bath, a shower. Here's the second bedroom in the back, again with mini split unit. Everything's tiled here, everything's concrete. There's actually a manager's closet over here, so if you do decide to live here, you've got a larger closet space, or it could just be used for maintenance issues, maintenance storage or whatever. So again, this 2-bedroom apartment down below could be rented out, or it could be used as a living quarters. You've got the adaptability and the opportunity there. So let's go back outside, and let's go see around back and upstairs. All right, so coming out of the 2-bedroom unit, a couple of Adirondack chairs outside, a little covered terrace. This stairway up to the second floor, that's the employee bathroom up there. This is a new addition to the guest house, an outdoor shower. This is actually, it's especially liked by the guests. People come back from the beach, come back from Bio Bay, or they just want to shower outside. That's one of the nice things of being in the Caribbean. Come down here from the cold Northeast or wherever, you want to take a shower outside. We're at the back of the building. This is kind of a little workshop area, storage area. There's laundry area. This is kind of more of a staffing area. So you've got hot water heater, gas tanks for the hot water heater. You've got a pump for the cistern. And then here we have access. This is access for all the guests. There's a stairway that goes up to the roof. So this is a new addition. Actually, it's been revamped over the years. And from here, up there you can see, you can see all the way to the Fish and Wildlife Refuge, the old observation post on the bombing range, which is probably, 10 miles away. There's the Bio Bay, there's Sun Bay, and then up here is a nice roof deck. So whether you're having coffee in the morning, afternoon drinks, need a quiet place to read a book or a magazine or your Kindle, they've created a great little space up here. And from here, you know, the backside of the property, this is, it's all very quiet. Backside, I think, is government land. There's nothing for a couple miles in the back, a couple of walking trails. And then off to the west, I don't know if you can see it from here, there's a couple of hilltops. The hilltop in La Hueca, La Llave. You can see parts of, yeah, La Llave, La Hueca, you can see from here. You can't see Pilon. Mount Pirata, which is off in the distance, and then there's your Caribbean Ocean looking to the south. So again, Vieques Corral, guest house that's for sale. This is ideal. I'd say it's ideal for people who want to be owner-operators. If you're making the jump into a bed and breakfast situation, small guest house, this would be ideal. You could live here. Look at this, a mango tree. You could live here, you could run the place. You're close to the Malecon and Esperanza. 6 guest rooms. You could probably run it by yourself. If it's a couple, I think you could run this whole situation, whole operation by yourself. You could always hire cleaning person, perhaps some of the front desk. Right now the staff here, or excuse me, the owners have one person that comes in to work the front desk every so often. They have one person that comes for housekeeping. So this could definitely be run as a couple. And as we've seen over the last couple of months, a lot of the guest houses in Vieques have been sold. There's not a lot of them on the market. They're going fast. And this one is in prime shape, turnkey ready. So Vieques Corral, check out our website, www.ParaisoRealtyPR.com. I'm Bob. You can always call me, 787-900-8909. And I'd love to show it to you in person. I do have financials, and would love to help find this home, this property, a new owner to care for it as much as the folks that own it now have done over the last couple of years.